anything? Did the Easter Bunny leave you anything, Liam?
What is that?
What did he leave you?
What are those out there?
Wow. Do you want to look at what the Easter Bunny left you first? All right, go ahead. You can go in. Go in the basket.
No.
You don't want it? What do you want to do first?
What's in there? What is it? What's in there?
What's that?
Out.
You want it out?
Yeah.
What is that? Do you know?
Football.
That's right. What is that?
What is that?
Is that an Easter Bunny?
No.
Oh.